In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make chart background gradient. A gradient background can make your chart look polished and help guide your viewer's eye, as long as it stays subtle and doesn't overpower the data. I'll walk you through the exact clicks to apply a gradient to your chart background in Excel, along with a few simple tips to keep everything clear and professional. First, bring your chart into view and make sure it's selected. Now, right-click the chart's background area. Aim for an empty spot around the plotted data, what's often called the chart area. If you accidentally right-click a bar, line, or marker, you'll see options for a data series instead. Just move your cursor slightly outward and try again until the chart area menu appears. When the formatting options appear, look for Fill. Depending on your version, you might see a small panel open on the right or a context menu. Either way, you're heading to the Fill controls. This is where you control whether the chart background is solid, gradient, picture, or pattern. Click Fill to open those choices so we can switch from a flat background to a gradient. Next, choose Gradient. This tells Excel you want a smooth transition between colors rather than a single tone. You'll typically see a few ready-made gradient presets along with controls for colors and how the gradient flows. Selecting Gradient activates those options so you can preview changes right on your chart. Finally, choose a gradient color. Start with a preset to get a quick look at light to dark or two-tone styles, then refine the colors if needed. For most dashboards, a light, low-contrast gradient works best. Think a gentle shift from very light gray to white, or a soft variation of your brand's primary color. The goal is to add depth without stealing attention from the data. If your chart includes thin lines or small labels, lean lighter so text remains crisp and readable. Darker or highly saturated gradients can make grid lines and labels harder to see. A few quick tips as you decide. Stick to related hues for a clean, modern look. Avoid strong mid-tone bands that compete with your data. And check the chart at normal zoom to make sure labels are legible. When it looks right, click away from the pane to apply and admire the result. That's it. Right-click the chart, open Fill, choose Gradient, and pick your gradient color. With these clicks, you'll turn a plain chart into something that looks refined and ready for presentation.